Hey there, this is Linda. I'm sharing another little mini haul of stickers that I bought from an indie designer here in Italy. So the name of the shop is tenfall.art, and I just wanted to share some of the stickers that I got and sort of carry on with my whole purchasing from Italian or European indie designers here. And normally I would have, I would be a bit more on budget and maybe doing this once a month. But the end of the year is always a little crazy because there are so many releases of planners and products and things. And so if it seems like I'm doing a lot of haul kind of stuff, it's just because it's the end of the year. And September is also my birthday month. So it gets a bit crazy for that reason. But normally I would not be ordering maybe so much, but I think all of us stationery obsessed people, we know that enabling is a real thing, and sometimes it's hard to resist when you see something that you really want. So this is the shop's information. She has a website, I believe it's tenfall.art. And you can see I got these little freebie, like mini leaf stickers, and those are the freebies. And here is the actual package of items that I actually ordered, and there's really cute washi tape plaid there, and I'm being careful in unpacking all the things because I will be reusing, of course, the bag and the washi tape and all of that kind of stuff. So I just made a little quick purchase of 3 die cut packs and 3 sticker sheets. And the sticker sheets that are included, it's sort of like a matte sticker paper. That's the one that I chose instead of like the glossy and instead of the label paper. I think most shops use sort of like a cheaper type of like label paper that seems really like paper, whereas these are a little better quality, and that's just my impression, going from like sticker paper that I use myself with my silhouette and from many of the planner shops when you buy them. So it definitely looks like it's better quality in my opinion, and you can sort of feel it, and it's not like super plasticky like glossy, because I chose like the matte version. And so I really like the quality. By the way, this little art print here was sent out in her newsletter, so you can see that has like the similar pumpkin motifs. So I printed out this to use in my journaling, so just wanted to show you that. But in terms of my order, I got 3 sticker sheets, and this one is like owls, like winter theme, and you can see it's very well made and cut out, ready to be used. And then there is this sort of pink themed like summer sticker sheet, and it's just so adorable. It really makes me think of like scrapbooking days and like Maggie Holmes, like that kind of style. So love that. And I actually got the same card stock die cuts from that sticker sheet as well, and I think it has like similar, I think it has basically almost the same illustrations. Either you're purchasing like the sticker sheet or you're purchasing the die cuts, but I didn't get all of the same ones. Like this one is like a fall die cut pack, so it has this like butterfly cutout, and this is like pretty thick cardstock paper, but not so thick like chipboard that would, bulk up your journals a little too much. So I really like using these types of like cardstock cutouts, and you can see there's a variety of cutouts there, and I really like that little window thing. It's really cute. So I like using these in my journaling, in my memory keeping, just all different kinds of deco that I can use in my sort of stationery habit or hobby, I guess I should say. So I was trying to be careful in opening that package because I wanted to keep that sticker so that I could put it into my stationery journal, where I basically document the things that I buy, like new accessories or stickers and things like that. I usually put it in my stationery journal first to sort of like swatching it, you know, like if I bought washi tape or something. So this is another sort of autumn type themed ones. I'm sorry I don't remember like the exact names of these, but if you go to the website you'll be able to see it. So this one has a bunch of like autumn foliage and leaves, and so cute, the sweater weather and coffee. And this final one I think is the same as that pink sticker sheet that I showed before. So it basically has the same exact illustrations, but obviously slightly different sized. I think they're a little bigger, but I think it's the same thing. So either you can buy like the cardstock or you can buy the sticker sheet, and you can see like the leaves and things like that. They are not the same as the other collections. Each one is like its own unique set of illustrations. So I'm just laying out all of these here so you can see like beautiful pink flowers, strawberry, like drink vases, and I really like those like disc, these little disc thingies. So here I'm like matching them up because I was trying to check if they were exactly the same, and you can see the size of them. The die cuts are way bigger than the sticker sheet. So if you like the illustrations to be a bit larger, maybe you might go for the die cuts, and obviously you can glue them yourselves, or you know, put sticky paper on the backs, you know, to use them like a sticker, or you could just get the sticker sheets, which obviously is a bit more convenient, but they are a little smaller because the sticker sheets, the sizing is pretty much that sort of standard sizing of a sticker sheet. So I'm just sort of counting them up, but basically that's all I got in this order, just like a quick little mini haul. Really, it was just 3 sticker sheets and 3 cardstock die cut packs, and then I got that freebie little set of leaf icons, and they're really mini, so it's perfect for like small planners and things like that. So that was my order from tenfall.art. And if you're into printables, be sure to check out my blog, tortagialla.com. I post there and have been posting there for years. Totally free printables like pattern papers and stationery tidbits that you can download directly from the blog post and use in your personal projects. From journaling to scrapbooking, even use them digitally, or of course print them out like I do to use in my analog journaling. Feel free to use anything you want for your personal journaling. And if you like this video, please subscribe or comment, and I will definitely be posting a lot more because I sort of have a backlog of recorded videos, so I just need to edit and voice over so that I can post them. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching.